Hello and welcome to Kinas FX Market Review. I promised that I was going to do 4 analysis this week. The first video we looked at Euro USD and GBP USD. In this video, we are going to be looking at JPY and AUD card. But let's start our analysis with GBP USD. Trying to get the chart open. But before I start my analysis, please, if you have found value in any of the content that I upload, the analysis, if you're learning something, please kindly subscribe to this channel, because I promised that this year we're going to be uploading content every week in and week out. I bring you analysis at least of 2 pairs, and the majority of that will be on Euro USD and GBP USD. From time to time, we will look at other pairs when I see opportunity that I think those of you that have been following the channel need to look at. So kindly subscribe and press the bell notification. Now let's come straight into the chart. So on our screen is the chart of Gbpjpy. This is also another pair that I like trading because it moves smoothly. And for some time now, I've been trading only GBP USD and Euro USD, but GBP USD more because that has presented me more opportunity, and it also moves smoothly. So we can see on our screen the chart of Gbpjpy. It's just about 2 minutes for the trading session to open, and I trust that I will be able to do this quickly. So let's come to the weekly as we always do and find the weekly direction. Okay. So, pardon me. I want to, I don't know, it looks like, oh, my chart is not responding. Okay. Market was moving up, down. Then we formed a lower low. It became bearish, a pullback, bearish again. Then from here, it became bullish, then bearish. So looks like we are bearish, but I want to see something. So let me take the, okay. So we're bearish here. I want to see these only on the weekly. You get it. So, pardon me. I don't know. It looks like my internet is not okay. So from here, we made this low. So we are bearish on the weekly. We are bearish on the weekly because we made another low. Yeah. So we are bearish on the weekly. But look at this bullish candle for last week. It's so engulfing. It would be unwise to think of so. But at the same, let's look at the daily structure. Let's look at the daily. We are bullish on the daily. This was the last lower high, which has been broken. You get it. So we formed a new high. We formed a new high. So we are bullish on the daily. Let's do our labeling. It's very important. So we formed a higher high. And higher low. Okay. But the weekly we are bearish. So these are lower high. Let's see it only on the weekly. Make it visible only on the weekly. And that's a lower low. Okay. So let's come to the 4 hours and see. Oh, we are very, very, very bullish on the 4 hours. And if you have watched any of my videos, if you haven't, kindly just go through the video, you'll understand that if the daily and the 4 hours are pointing the same direction, then we are going to be looking for buys. Coupled with the fact that the weekly gave us a huge engulfing candle that engulfed the previous week candle. You get it. So it tells you that we are bullish. And for that matter, we are going to be looking for buys. I want to be as quick as possible with this trade. So yeah, now that we have established the fact that we will be going, we'll be buying. From where do we anticipate? So let's look at the key levels. There is a key level here, which is the nearest key level. There is another key level here. You get it. So these are the immediate 2 key levels. Let's go to the 4 hours and see. That's awesome. That is awesome. That is right. I think the second key level makes more sense. The first also makes sense. So in this case, let's see. Let's adjust this to this place. Yeah, I think it is perfect like this. Price looks pretty solid here. So we'll just draw a zone on both. We'll just draw a zone on both and expect a little pullback to this area and then a continuation. So that is that. Let's do our summary. So we say weekly, we are bearish. Daily, we are bullish. And we are bullish. And 4 hours, we are bullish. So we'll be looking for buys on these peg. So that is a quick one, but I want to believe that you found some value in this analysis. And if you have, please kindly subscribe to the channel so that anytime we upload content, you will see it. When we see that you find value and you are subscribing, it also encourages me to do more. So I believe that you will do that for me. You did. Okay, I think I already have some points, but let me delete it. Let me delete everything on AUD card. Come on, this is awesome. We are bullish on the weekly. We broke these lower high level, so we formed a new higher. So we are bullish here. This is beautiful. And then we are from the new high here. So That's a higher high, higher high. And then we have a higher low, higher low. Okay. We come to the daily. We are very bullish on the daily. You can see. We are very bullish on the daily. We are very bullish on the daily. So we have a higher high. Let's make it visible only on the weekly chart. What do you mean? You need to get your levels right. And then we have a higher low. Okay, let's come to the 4 hours. Obviously, the 4 hours will also be very, very, very bullish. So we have these. And then we have this. Okay. So we are bullish on all the how do you call it? The time frames are directional time frame. You get it. We are bullish on weekly, bullish on daily, and bullish on the weekly. So let's label it higher high. Let's see it only on the hourly chart. I think the market has opened, and but I'm happy I did this before. And okay, so that is that. Now let's come to the daily and find our key levels from where we think we can. So this one, and this is 2. And anytime we do this, we come to the 4 hours and then we look at it well, I think. Great, 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 great. Now, these the kind of pairs that you can swing when you have all the time frames pointing in the same direction. Yeah, so this will be our zone. So we are expecting that price will come down and then go up. You get it? But in trading such pairs, you ought to be careful because by the time price gets here, the 4 hours will be bearish, although the weekly and the daily are still bullish. So even if the 4 hours is bearish, we'll still be looking to buy. But then you have to be very careful and make sure you get a bullish confirmation. Price tells you that it's about to go up before you enter such trade. If not, you may be stopped out because price can also come to this level before it goes up. So you have to be careful. Be careful. Let me also adjust this level a little bit to this level, I think. This is great. So thank you so much for making time to watch these video. I appreciate you, but I want to see your comment. I want to see your comment. If there is anything that you want me to address, there is anything that you want me to talk about. So far, my videos have just been on analysis, but I think with time, I will do some tutorials as to how to find your supports, how to find your resistance. It's very important, and most importantly, how to find your key levels. I believe that if we are looking at the market the same way, we should be able to spot the same key level. That is what I believe in, and my strategy makes it so easy for you to be able to. So if you understand my strategy, if I draw my key level, it should be the same as yours if we are using the same strategy. So I believe that with time, we will look into that. But all the same, thank you so much. I've had people chat me privately and encourage me and tell me how my videos has been helping them. So keep your comments coming. I want to see your comment in the comments section. And most importantly, please subscribe to the channel. I will really appreciate that. Until I come your way again with